Hey, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and delete extra pages in your Microsoft Word. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, I have this article opened up and there is a extra page right over here. For some reason I can't seem to go ahead and get rid of this. So how do I get rid of the extra page, you might ask? So normally the extra page is there probably because of a space or the places where you have pressed enter. And if you simply go ahead and delete the text, so if you simply go ahead and delete the spaces, your extra page is gonna go ahead and disappear. But sometimes what happens is we might not find the extra spaces. So for that particular task, Microsoft Word has this one button. Simply go ahead and click on this triple dot icon right here, and once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and open this show/hide. This is a tool that is going to show you some extra spaces that are on your text. So as you can see, it shows line breaks and spaces. And when I scroll down, as you can see on the new page, there are a couple of spaces. So if I go ahead and erase those spaces, there you go, that extra page is completely gone now, as you can see. So it is as simple as that. Even if your extra page has text on it, and if you simply go ahead and delete all the text on the page like I'm doing, as you can see, the extra pages are gonna disappear. So it is as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.